Hi guys, my name is Parakpal and welcome back in my new video. In this video, we are gonna discuss about there's a different kind of floor finishes that we use in our building construction to make the good floor finish. But there is a one of the kind of floor finishes, vinyl floor finishes, right? Which gives some good finish such as like this, you can see, okay? So there's a lots of images available on the, on the Google which provide you what is a vinyl floor finishes. Now the concern is it comes with the bundle, okay? But we need to identify how many number of rolls we need to give a order, so we do not make any mistakes, correct? And also that bring us a good profit margin, zero wastage if you do the proper estimation, proper quantity takeoff. So this video for all of you, very quick one, but this will give you really good information related to vinyl floor finish. So before starting this video, I would like to ask you that visit my website civilnotes.com. This is my website. You can click here also. And you can check my channel Parakpal. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, please click on the that button while playing the video. Okay, let's get started. So guys, remember one thing, to determine the quantity of vinyl needed for the floor finish, you need to follow some few steps. Like first you need to measure the length and width of each room or area where vinyl will be installed. Okay, that's the first thing. Now second one is always calculate the area in a square feet. Okay. Now add additional 5 to 10% wastage because you already consider wastage in your pre-estimation. So we are minimizing the estimate further, correct? Then determine the size of the vinyl rolls you are using. What kind of size of vinyl roll width in the form of width you are considering. And then you will get the total number of rolls needed with the area. So let's consider the room having the feet of, just consider, I can say 15 feet, okay, 18 feet. Room width is 10. Okay, I'm considering 5% of wastage. Roll width, I'm considering it is having a 6 feet. Okay, it's having a width. So, and roll length, one single roll I'm considering it will gives me around 50 uh, feet length in single row. Let increase the size of the room by 25, make it 12. Okay, now let's calculate. So you can see you will be requiring total area will be 350 square feet, and you require the two number of rows, okay, to undertake this vinyl floor finish work. You get that? Okay, this is what is the requirement. This is what is a requirement of the present advanced building construction. And I hope this video will definitely help you to get this country take up in easy way. Right? So without wasting time, guys, directly jump into this website, civilnotes.com. This website is really mind-boggling for all of you because this will give you the quantity estimation for the random work, exam quizzes for the project management, multiple courses, subject videos, exam notes, and the lots of notes and knowledge on the civil engineering and project management, right? So without wasting time, visit this website today only and enjoy your day. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.